So today we are going to play with balls, yeah? And we're going to use this one, hair dryer. And we have some balls to use, yeah? We try to see which ball is going up and which ball is not going that much up, yeah? And will they go up or will they not go up? We have to check all those things today. Are you very excited?
Yeah.
Aha. So, show me how many balls which you have. Show me. Show me how many balls you have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. And give me red ball. Yeah, these are the same balls. This one is like a spiky. We will try all of them. Which one is? This one is like different kind of plastic. Little bit hard. They are soft. And give me this one. And this is a little bit heavy. Yeah, is the more heavy. Is it right? Is it right? So, if you are planning for this game, you should do with your daddy or mommy. Is that right? Yeah. Don't do on your own. Yeah. Are you ready? And here you go. Pee. Put one. Yeah. I think it's happening. Something is working. And should I increase the more power? Should I increase more power? It's going up. It's flying. It's flying in the air. Do you know why it is flying? Do you know why it is flying? Because air is pushing it very harder. Yeah? Can you slow down? And it's down. Now we're going to try the blue ball. Okay? Let's see what happened with the blue. Ready? Are you ready? And little one. I think I take it for you again. And this time I'm gonna raise in the air a little bit and see what happens. And 1 and 2. Is it nice? What's happening? It's like go on, try. Try to look at it. Because there's enough here. One is gone. Try again. Try another one. Try another one. Put the green ball, green or yellow. So now red is gone. Green replaced the black one. Try. Keep your hands strong. And oh, 3 balls in the same time. Now we are going to try with little bit heavy balls. Okay? Can you show me this heavy ball? Let's see. Which is it Spider-Man ball? Is it a Spider-Man? Show me.
It's a Paw Patrol.
It's a Paw Patrol. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. It's Paw Patrol. Let's try with this. Will you help me? Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's start with the little bit air. I think we need to push more.
Yeah.
And here you go. No, it's too heavy. It's just dancing. It's too heavy. What we do now, we try another one, the bit hard ball. And here you go.
Small.
And you just try. Ready? 1, 2.
Go. Go faster.
Oh my goodness! That is so wonderful. Try more. Throw more balls. Keep your hands forward. Just like you can play the ping pong. Look, it's moving. I'm moving it. Go. And look, I'm going to change the direction now. Okay, when I change the direction, and the ball will go, leave your hand, ball will go in the same direction. Look, should I do left or right? Put another one. Put another ball. Should I do left or right? It's like an air fountain. Science is so much fun. Yeah? And welcome to Science Tubers. We're going to do so much fun this summer. I want to check is it moving circular or going vertical. So I want to try all the options now. You can keep an eye and don't let Daddy do it. Ready? And I want to see is it going? How strong the force is? Look, it's going like a pendulum. It's like a pendulum. And now we increase it. I'm going to put another one. Welcome to Science Tubers. Bye bye.